Solomon Asch was a psychologist who studied the theory of conformity, one of the many aspects of social psychology. In order to do this, he conducted a line experiment. So what is conformity? Conformity is where a person changes their own behavior in order to match everyone else's. In his line experiment, Solomon Asch had 3 phases. In phase 1, he presented a group of people with the sample line and 3 other lines after that. The people's goal was to correctly choose which line matched the sample line. All but one of these people were known as Confederates, meaning they were part of the experiment and had to purposely choose the wrong line. Asch wanted to see if the person who wasn't part of the experiment would choose the correct answer or go along with the rest of the group. As you can see, the 4th person in the group ended up choosing the 3rd line, even though it was the wrong one. This is known as informational conformity. Informational conformity happens when the rest of the group's responses convince the person that they are right. In other words, the person chooses the same line as the rest of the group because they truly felt that line 3 was the correct answer. In phase 2, Asch set up the same situation. He presented a group of people with the sample line and 3 lines after it. He also received the same results, but it was for a different reason. The reasoning behind the results of this phase is called normative conformity. Normative conformity means that the person chose the same line as the rest of the group because they didn't want to stand out. However, they were aware that they were choosing the wrong line. In the 3rd and final phase, one of the Confederates was told to choose the correct line for their response. This person was called the Confederate partner. This small change to the experiment resulted in a different outcome than the previous phases. As you can see, the Confederate partner chose the correct line. This caused the non-Confederate participant to choose the correct line as well. This is called partnership. It only took one person to change their answer for the participant to choose the right answer as well. People are less likely to conform if someone else does it along with them.